Have you ever thought to yourself, man, I really want to live on the lake, but it would be awesome to have a little bit of land as well? Well, I'm here to tell you that you can have both with my new listing. Hi, I'm Zach Wheeler with Jason Whittle All-Pro Team, Remax Lake of the Ozarks, and I'm so excited to welcome you to 27 Holly Lane. This 3-bed, 3-bath home has updates including a brand new roof on the house and the 2-car garage, as well as a brand new septic system. This home also comes with almost 6 acres of land and 370 feet of lakefront, plus this amazing view off the back deck. Thanks for checking out this amazing property out here in Sunrise Beach. If you would like more information or to schedule a showing, give us a call at 800-836-2005. Thanks and have an amazing day.